Alright, welcome back everyone. I just went to the town, got some supplies. So I really want to make a firewood jig for myself. Here's what I've come up with. Just kidding. I mean, that would be sweet because this is a 3-foot bar, so in the middle would be what, 18 inches. But I don't want to put 3 feet in that box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out like, I mean, that would be sweet, but it would be kind of pointless. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, you can solve stuff that way or this way. But if I see, my plan was just to have it run out one side. Yeah, I guess I could still do that. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna have it out one side. We'll drill a hole right in this raker. Dog, whatever we call them. Dog. Well, I got 2 nuts. I'm gonna jam it on both sides of the dog. Cut out 18 and change, or measure off the dog to the, you know what I mean. So, I mean, I'm pretty good at eyeballing stuff. Like, let's go out there and check some cuts. Tape measure, where you at? Come on. Where you at? Oh, okay. Now I cut these off the neighbor's fence row. Say this one here is 18 and a half, 16 and a half. Man, I'm pretty decent. 17, 15 and a half. That one there is about over 18 and a quarter. That one there is probably 17. Yeah, I'm pretty decent. 17 and a quarter. That one there is probably 18, 18 and 3/4. I want to get more consistent. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so considering this is the one with the most meat on it, and it's at the bottom of the bar, rather than putting it down here, that way when I finish, when I'm cutting, I'm on the bottom of the log, it won't be on this, the rod won't be on the ground, so I'm going to have it tucked up by the bar, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's get a hole drilled, and then we'll get this measured out, lock nut, thread locker, and then we'll put a washer on it and we'll call her done. under $5. Simple, easy, effective. To the bar. It's actually 18 1/8, so call them 18. What do you guys think? Pretty easy, simple. You might be asking, why am I doing this? Well, time to get more serious. That is essentially the answer there. Be more accurate. Get a processor. Have you guys seen the wood that I've cut? Like, none of it's under 26 inches, very rarely. But anywho, this will be very nice. I'm not going to do this on the big saw because, well, I just kind of put my foot in my mouth there, didn't I? Don't do anything under 26 inches. Well, yeah, I could do one on this, but need another piece of bar. I could tuck this one back in further, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I put one on this one? A lot more meat on that dog there. Anywho, I'll see y'all on the next one. I don't know what we're going to be doing next, but we'll see.